హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు 360 నేను వీణా సాదినేని. అమ్మాయిల్ని పడేయాలంటే కొన్ని దారులు ఉంటాయంట. ఇది ఎప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ దొరకని ఒక క్వశ్చన్. ఆ క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ చేయడానికి మనతో ఉన్నారు, సింగిల్ మూవీతో రాబోతున్నారు కేతికా శర్మ. నమస్తే అండి, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Very well, how are you?
సో చెప్పండి, కొన్ని దారులు ఏంటి? అమ్మాయిల్ని పడేయాలి అంటే ఏమేమి దారులు ఉన్నాయి? వాట్ ఆర్ ద మెయిన్ పాయింట్స్ a guy should notice?
A guy should notice in a girl. Well, I mean, I think that's very subjective to the guy, you know. Like what a guy would like in a girl, I think is what we like in other people is very subjective to us. But I think what a guy should notice in a girl probably should be
In trailer we have
I'll answer that.
Okay.
I think what a guy should notice in a girl should probably be, I think, her. I think women can be very kind in their soul. They can be very soft and very empathetic, and women are very nurturing by nature. This is how we are made by design by God. So I think a guy should notice a woman being completely in her feminine energy. That will be very good for a guy.
Okay.
I'm saying something too deep.
Yeah.
That's why I took time to answer that question. But yeah, I think that's what they should. Because in case someone really wants to follow my advice.
And what are the ways a guy should follow to flaunt a girl? This is the question actually.
How should he flaunt a girl?
Yeah.
I think when a guy loves his woman loudly in front of the world, like when he's proud of, you know, being in a relationship, I think there's nothing more impressive than that.
Okay.
So,
In trailer we've noticed three ways. Like one is a guy should be a good guy and bad boy attitude, and the other one is should be a very mass. Only these types girl will get too much attached. So what is your perspective on it?
I think I have crossed that stage in in my life. I used to have that stage. I feel like when I was out of school or something like that, that would have appealed to me.
Okay.
But I think for Ketika, I think a guy for me, I would find how he carries himself and all of that, how he, like I was even saying it in another interview, how he would, you know, carry himself, be gentlemanly, how he would treat women with respect. That would be more impressive for me.
That's for sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
So are you single right now?
Super. Very, very single.
From when?
From a very long time, actually. I'm so single. Yeah.
Okay. So who's your first crush in industry and out of the industry also?
Salman Khan was my first ever crush from the acting business. Out of the industry, I don't think I've had crushes.
How about Tollywood industry? Like, have you ever seen
Allu Arjun sir.
Allu Arjun?
Yeah.
What if you wake up as a Allu Arjun for a day? What would you do?
I think I feel like he has a very kingly vibe, you know. Of course, Pushpa Raj, right? So I guess I would just love to, you know, experience his day, wake up as Sir and just take a round of Hyderabad, feel like the ultimate king, and yeah.
Do you remember any dialogues from Pushpa? Or Pushpa 2?
Pushpa ante flower anukuntunnava? Fire.
That's so cute. Even though it's a very massy dialogue. You said it in
in fact, Ketika ante flower. Ketika ante pushp.
Okay.
Pushpa ante flower.
Okay. So it is totally up to you.
నాకు కూడా fire.
ఫైర్ ఉంది. యా వీవ్ సీన్. సో సింగిల్ మూవీలో పర్టికులర్గా మీ ప్రీవియస్ మూవీస్లో చాలా డాన్స్ ఐటమ్స్ చూసాము. దీని నుంచి ఏమి సింగిల్ ఐటమ్ అంటే సింగిల్ హుక్ స్టెప్స్ కానీ అలా ఏం రాలేదు. సో వై ఇస్ దాట్? ఆర్ యూ మిస్సింగ్ ఇట్ ఆర్ వై ఇస్ దట్ హ్యాపెన్? Do you have any idea?
That there's no song in this film. That's why, I mean, it was not required, Andy. Like, we have to put it according to the requirement of the film.
I thought we would be having any surprise.
Yeah, no, that was a totally different thing. And in this film, you've got very lovely, soft, beautiful numbers. It's not the requirement of the film. So.
Okay. Are you missing it, like, with not dancing in here?
No, I mean, my last, that was the first time I did a song, no? Adida is the first song I've ever done. So it's not like I've had, in Bro also there was a song called Janavule, which was it was a sweet, soft dance number. But Adida was the one of its kind. It was the first time I've
attempted. It's a trendsetter movie.
It's the first time I've done something like that. Yeah. But I think that's going to be just one of its kind. So
Okay.
something similar wouldn't be happening in the films.
Okay. So we've seen dance numbers of yours, like you've danced with choreographers, and we thought like you really love dancing. Are you really love dancing?
I like
Dance
dancing.
lover.
I enjoy dancing. I think dance for me um, is very therapeutic for my confidence. I feel like it brings out the best in me.
Okay.
Like every time I'm dancing, I feel great. And now that you've asked me this question, I am just getting a thought in my head that I should just do it so much more often. My dance classes.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah.
So if not heroine, what would be the other career you would have choose?
I would probably do something related to traveling.
I do love traveling. Do
Yeah.
you go to any places?
I love traveling. I
What
travel
type of traveling? Like mountains, beaches?
a mix of everything. Like I started my year with last year. I started it with the mountains. I was doing skiing in Kashmir,
Mm-hmm.
and then I was in Rajasthan for a wedding.
Mm-hmm.
So we were in that whole Rajasthan area. After that, I had gone to Bali,
Mm-hmm.
and then I was in. I very recently did a very wonderful tiger safari in Tadoba,
Mm-hmm.
which was
Yeah,
after that. And then again, I ended it in Gili Islands, which is near Bali, for my birthday. So I am constantly in different locations, and I love traveling because it's very important. Everyone should.
Yeah.
Everyone should travel. Yeah.
How are you managing traveling and shooting and taking breaks?
It's very easy. Our shoots are done in schedules.
Okay.
Our shoots are done in schedules. So you know the days and the months you're shooting. You very well know what your free time and your free dates are, and I choose to travel in that.
Okay. So how many days this movie took schedule?
I believe this took us about 3 to 4 months or 5 months maybe, because obviously there are so many actors in
Which
a film.
other places you visited?
We have to which places? I think we've primarily shot in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Primarily, yes.
Okay. So you must have gone to shoot locations, as you told. So what is the lazy day would be like for you? Lazy day.
A lazy day on shoot.
Yeah, shoot day, postpone, or your part is done.
Yeah.
What would you do?
What would I do on a lazy day? I think I would I'll call for a burrito bowl or something that I love to eat, and I'll probably just watch some Netflix. I'll probably binge watch a series that I love.
Oh, that's nice. I can sense that you are a movie freak then.
I am.
Yeah.
I would do that on a lazy
People
day.
usually say I sleep all day, like
Yeah.
that.
No. I think I would just probably binge on content. That's what I do.
Hey, you're so active. So coming to this movie.
No, what active? Binging on content? What activity do you need? You just have to sit and watch, no?
Oh, people are lazy to do that too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So coming to single movie, how is your experience with Sri Vishnu Garu?
Amazing. I've had the good fortune of working with some lovely actors, and I love them all, but he certainly is topping the charts. Like, he's my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
He's so kind, he's so nice, he's so humble, and I've had a lovely experience with
What
Vishnu.
is the one thing you won't forget while shooting it happen like that?
But whenever Sir on set, like, whenever his cook cooked him anything,
Mm-hmm.
automatically there was a plate coming to my van that this is what's cooked in Sir's. Like, and automatically it's coming to my van, it's coming to Ivana's, it's going to Kishore Sir's, everywhere. Like that's so generous. He doesn't have to do it. It's his personal meal.
Mm-hmm.
People may not even be following that diet. Even his diet food is very good, by the way. But just, I think, I feel like people who like to feed other people, I feel are just lovely people. Yeah.
Okay. So how was working with Vanilla Kishore Garu? He's very, we know him as a very big entertainer. So how was working with him on sets?
Well, I have been a fan of his work because I think his comedy is so effortless. It's so natural. I remember when I met him for the first time, I told him that, I'm such a fan of your work. But during the course of the film, when we shot and the more I got to know Sir, you become even a bigger fan of his because he's just such a lovely person. He's so fun, he's so chill, he makes sure everyone is comfortable, and yeah, you know, you go home with a friend because he's so lovely.
Okay. So what is like, how did you feel when you met first time with a co-star like Ivana?
My meeting with Ivana was in a temple. I think we were shooting a temple scene.
Acha.
That's why Ivana and
You
I
both
met
are
for
there, like in the
yeah,
scene?
yeah. We both met for the first time, and we were in saris, and I find her very, very cute. She's just straight out of college or something. No, she's very, very young. I find her adorable, and I met her, and she's an absolutely lovely girl, and yeah, we hit it off right away. You know, there was just lovely energy. We were so comfortable with each other, and I love her.
Okay. So far, you have acted like a number of movies, like 4-5 movies
Yeah.
in Telugu industry. So, which is the one movie which will not go, like how many years you go, that will remember forever, like that?
Romantic.
Romantic?
Yeah.
What is so?
It's my
Okay.
first film. The experience of living my dream. My dream was realized with that film, right? I became an actor. I got my first break, my first opportunity, my first film. Nothing can replace that feeling.
How did you feel when you first, acting in front of camera with all the crowd around? First time.
I don't remember how I felt, but what I do remember is I had a blast. Like, I used to live every moment on set, running, jumping. I used to be romantic, you know. Puri sir and everybody have just taken care of me like this little baby, you know, and they've given me the princess treatment, and
Okay.
I have enjoyed every single day, and yeah, that's my most special film.
Yeah, usually Telugu industry is very well concerned about heroines also.
Yeah.
So while you were doing a movie with Pavan Kalyan Garu and Sai Dharam Tej Garu, what did you felt?
Amazing. I mean, when I heard that combination, I was like, oh my god. And there was a day I got to meet PK sir also.
Okay.
And
If you want to say one thing about that memorable thing, what would you say?
about what?
The movie.
About
meeting them, combination scenes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That
What is so challenging while they are there? You have to act in front of big people, no?
see, I've not acted with PK sir in this film.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure if I had a scene with sir, I would have been a little intimidated.
Mhm.
You know, I would have felt a little nervous. I was a bit nervous when I met him for the first time, but I was also very, like, you know, I was very amazed by just his presence,
Oh.
because he's a star. He's a star. Like, when he's walking on set, you know, like, okay, he is a star. And he did not have people around him, in the sense everybody was watching him from the side.
Mm-hmm.
Like, bouncers did not have to work too hard because people were just watching him from the side, and he was just in his thought, walking up and down, and, like, you know, that's a star.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I remember that very well, and I went and met him, and sir met me very nicely, you know, and yeah, that was just that one day that I met sir on the set of Bro.
You already acted with mega family members like Vaishnav Tej, Sai Dharam Tej, and who is following next?
And I've also done an ad with Allu Arjun, so that was the first.
Oh yeah,
that was the first thing.
one.
Yeah, that was the first thing of mine that came out in Telugu.
Okay, that was directed by Trivikram Garu,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So how was it? How did it come?
Amazing, best. One of my best experiences.
Okay, how did they approach you? By the way, did you audition for it?
I just got a call saying, you know, there's an AHA ad, and it'll be great if you know, you would want to be, if you want to do this. And I was like, excuse me? Like, I want to do it, you know? So I just flew down, and yeah, I did that ad with sir, and
So your little part of screen sharing is already done with Allu Arjun sir.
I'm greedy. I want a lot more experiences.
Okay, what genre you want to be with him, Allu Arjun Garu?
Whichever. I would love to act with him.
romantic or
Not any. It could be any storyline. I would love to play his love interest, but whichever film. I think to share the screen with him is is pure delight.
Okay. Personally, what kind of roles attracts you more? Like, what are the key points you see while people are narrating, like a storyteller is narrating the story?
I believe I just like to, first of all, just visualize myself playing a role.
Mhm.
If I can visualize myself playing it, that's already a plus for me. And if it feels like a film which is going to do well, I'd go in for it.
Okay. So you said you binge watch series or movies. So what is your current playlist?
I have watched Schitt's Creek on Netflix like I don't know how many times now, almost 6-7 times. I watch Friends a lot.
Oh my god, which character you love most?
It's so difficult for me to pick. Like some days I am such a Ross fan, and then on some days I am such a Rachel fan, and then there are days when I'm just like no one can touch Chandler.
Okay.
But it's like, and even Phoebe really grew on me, and even her comedy just is like fun. I don't know, so it's difficult for me to pick. And then at the same time, how can you not absolutely love Joey? And Monica, of course. So I don't know. I can't pick. I love
which character. Which character you related to that?
Relate to the most? I think I relate to a little bit of Joey, a little bit of Monica, and a little bit of Rachel. I think I'm a.
Do you also have this OCD feeling, like you do clean?
No, not in that aspect.
Okay.
But Monica can be very like according to me. So I can be a little like that with my friends.
Okay. Yeah. Do you have siblings like her also?
Yeah, I have a brother.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell him about it. Like, what is pastime with him?
I did my birthday with him only, Abir. I was in Gili Islands with him only. He's in Australia. And he and I, we planned that, let's do this vacation together. He wanted me to do this. He wanted to gift me this birthday trip.
Oh.
So
that's so sweet of him.
Yes. He's a very loving brother.
Okay.
And he just gifted me the most amazing birthday vacation ever, which was this December. So I very recently hung out with him. He's in Australia though. He's based there.
Okay. So do you travel often to abroad, or you just be in wherever you are?
I like to travel as much as I can.
So I have very real quick questions. So you have to answer quick only.
Okay.
So మీ ఫోన్లో లాస్ట్ సర్చ్ చేసిన ఐటమ్ ఏంటి? What did you search in your phone? The last thing.
I think the last thing I must have searched was Hanuman Chalisa, because I was reciting it and I was not sure of one particular word.
Okay.
And I just wanted to confirm, am I saying the right word?
Okay.
So Hanuman Chalisa is my last looked up thing.
Your favorite Lord, or?
I mean, you can say. You can say.
Yeah, that's why you have more string. So, are you ready to marry or single?
No. I'm very single.
Yeah,
I'm very
ready to marry, or?
No. Even my mindset for the next few years is super single only.
Why is that?
Just because that's how I feel inside.
Okay.
There's no reason.
Any past?
No.
Which you want to, you don't want to recall?
No, nothing like that. I just I enjoy the way I am right now.
Okay. Have you ever cook?
I cook for myself, yes.
Did it come well, or with a disaster?
I've had disasters in my experience of experimenting, but I can cook to save my life.
Okay. What is the disaster experiment you did?
I remember I was trying to make a pumpkin soup, which was a Shilpa Shetty recipe.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to make that. And then I took that boiling pumpkin thing and we are supposed to churn it in the mixie. I did not know that you're supposed to cool that boiling water down.
Exactly.
I just put the super hot thing in the mixie and the mixie opened and it was all over me and I got burnt very badly.
Oh, you.
Yeah.
That's very disastrous. So, who is your cinema lo, if not is a movie hero, who you want to be married?
I'm sorry, I didn't get your question. Cinema lo?
Who you want to marry, like movie industry people or the outside industry people?
Not thought so much. I've not thought so much. Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever wrote love letters?
We used to write a lot of letters to my.
Have you ever received?
I have.
What did they say?
It was a cute one. I was in a boarding school, and some boys from the boys' college used to write to girls. So yeah.
Okay. So this movie is coming on May 9th, right? What do you want to tell people about this movie?
Well, I just want to say that this is a super entertaining film which is coming on May 9th. You're going to have a blast. Please go with your family and your friends. And yeah, you're in for a fun ride. See you on May 9th.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్
Thank
సో
you.
చూసారు కదా మే 9th సింగిల్ మూవీ రాబోతుంది లెట్స్ వెయిట్ అండ్ వాచ్